Today we're going to learn how to read different barcode symbologies in the same field of view, and also we're going to learn how to customize each individual barcode separately to your needs. As you can see, we have 4 different barcode symbologies in the field of view. Let's go up here to learn codes so we can determine what type of symbologies these barcodes are that we have in the field of view. We're going to narrow down our field of view to isolate the barcodes. This should speed up the process when we do our auto learn. In this auto learn process, the barcode reader is going through its algorithms to determine which symbologies these barcodes are. The first barcode found is a code 128. During this process, the barcode reader will only find one code at a time. The second code is a UPCA code. So after each code is found, we'll have to hit continue to go to the next code that the barcode reader can go through its algorithms to find the next code. It's a QR code, so that's 3 of the 4. We're going to hit continue one more time. Now this one may take a little longer because the last code that it's searching for is extremely small. And there we have it. The last code found is a data matrix code. So after this, we're going to hit finish. We found 4 barcodes, and yes, we want to add it to our current configuration. So now that you can see, we have 4 barcodes in the field of view, and all 4 of them are being read. They're shown as good reads. You can tell by the green on the barcode, the green box around the barcodes, and also each individual barcode is telling you what type of symbology it is. Now we're going to get into a little customization of each different barcodes and what we can do to determine on some customizations that could help you for your application. Let's start with the data matrix barcode. Now if we want to add a filter to this barcode, let's say the minimum number of characters and the maximum number of characters has to be within a certain number, we can just go down here to result. You can see the number of characters is 9. So let's go over here and add 9 to the minimum. And maximum also. So now it has to be 9 characters, but let's say for some reason that it was supposed to be between 10 and 11. As you can see, when I change this and hit enter, we're going to get a bad read because the number of characters on the output is 9 and ours is set for 10 and 11. Now let's go back and change this to 9 for minimum and maximum, because that's what it's supposed to be. We have 9 characters, 9 character output. Now as you can see, it's gone back to green. The barcode is a pass. Next, let's go to a QR code. Now let's go to code color. Let's say this barcode was supposed to be printed as a white barcode. So let's put this as white. Now as you can tell in this screen in the field of view, the barcode is actually printed in black, but it was supposed to be in white, and as you can see, we changed our code color to white and we are getting a bad read. Now let's go back and change it to black. Like this, if it was supposed to be black, we'll change it to black. And now we're getting a good read. As you can tell, there's a green box around the barcode. That's signifying a good read. For the UPCA code, let's say that the code orientation was supposed to be horizontal. and it's not, it's vertical. And the same with the code 28. Let's say this code orientation was supposed to be vertical. The two codes got switched up on how they were printed. Now, as you can see, they are getting bad reads now because they were switched in the code orientation. But let's say the code 128 was supposed to be printed horizontal like it is in the field of view. Okay, now it's right, we're getting a good read. And let's go back to the UPCA. Let's say it was supposed to be printed vertical as it is in the field of view. And there we go. We're back to getting a good read because it's printed vertically like it's selected in the code orientation box. These are just a few different examples of how we can read different symbologies in the same field of view, and also how to customize some of our symbology settings to however it may benefit us in our needs of our application.